am unboxing my Memory Keeping Cocoa Daisy box. So I'm going to show you all of the goodies that I get in my memory keeping kit. So let's dive in. All right, I'm going to pull everything out first. That way we can get it all out. Okay, so Christine always includes the paper in the description of the Cocoa Daisy kit. So this is the paper and ink kit, and she always includes like the thoughts behind it, and I always love this card because it's just fun. So I'm going to keep the Cocoa Daisy Classified Kit classified, so I'm going to put that to the side. And I'm actually going to dive into this main kit first. That way we can get the bulky stuff out of the way. Okay, so if you haven't heard yet, this is the last month for the 12 by 12 kit. So this kit is the last 12 by 12 kit, and Cocoa Daisy will no longer be offering the 12 by 12 papers. But they'll still be offering other papers, just cut down to a smaller size to fit into traveler notebooks or the Simple Dories. So I'm just going to flip through this paper. I got the floral, pretty polka dots. This one's called New Beginnings. Soar. That's so pretty. This reminds me of the travel. I think it was last year's January kit, the travel theme. So I'm going to dive into my stuff to see if I can find stuff that matches it. Ooh, I love these polka dots. Happy Vibes. Vintage Rose, Ledgered, Simpleton. Oh, this is pretty. Meal Art. Lots of good papers in here. Roundup. This is like enough paper to last you the year. Butterflies. This one's called Vine Burst. And then you have your basics. And then these are from One Canoe 2, Goldenrod collection. This one's called Midnight Forest. I can't wait to cut these up to put into my planner. And this too, this is fun. So this is actually going to be super fun to add into this mini album bundle that she talks about. So yeah, I'll probably have a video on that too. Vicky Boot, I don't know how to say her last name. So here are field notes, which is perfect with this kit. Pretty florals that you can fussy cut or even just do a layout with. Field notes. So those are all the 12 by 12 papers. And then as I showed you before, Christine now includes an instruction sheet, which is really fun. Other goodies, part of this main kit is we have a tag, start fresh acrylic word, and then hello January. Some rub-on stickers, which are super fun. I'm excited to use this. I like to use like flat stickers in my Hobonichi, so I'm excited to use these rub-ons in my Hobonichi. And then the stamps, I got Live, Love, Create, Our Life Captured. This is like fun mixed media stuff. These look like stamps. And then the die cuts, which I'll open in a second to show you some of them. And then I have some chipboard stickers. And then the alphas, and then thickers. And these gorgeous gold colors. I love that. Okay, so then it came with the instructions. So the instruction shows you how to make this mini album pretty much out of some bags, tags, and then it includes the rings, a paper clip, string. So I'm excited to make this. And that's what I was referring to before, the tags in the 12 by 12 paper. Let me show you. this is what I'm super excited to include in this mini album. I think that will be fun. Okay, so that is the main kit. Let me show you some of the die cuts. I'm not gonna take them all out because it's just too much. So you got some flowers, arrows, lots of fun goodies. Big memories. This is our story. Okay, and then I have the Simple Dory, the new kit, and then I have the, well, it's a traveler notebook kit, memory keeping kit, and then I have the pocket kit. So I'm going to save the thing I'm most excited about for last, and I'm going to go with the pocket kit. I'm most excited about the traveler notebook kit since it's new, so I'm excited to see like what's included in it, things like that. Okay, so the stamp here, we have some more patterns. Start fresh, January 2019, this moment, a to-do list, and be amazing. And then some die cuts. Let's see, I'm not gonna open these just because it's so much to go through. And then we have some more of these vintage tags. And then another one of these tags. And then another acrylic, which says this moment. And then the pocket cards, I'll open in a second. And then more rub-on stickers, some numbers, phrases. This is the beginning of anything you want. This is fun. Ooh, and some, are these rub-ons? No, these are just regular stickers. But these are so pretty. I love the brush stroke of them, like how they look like handwriting. Oh, these are gorgeous. And then some some puppy stickers, which are arrows. Love arrows, so this is fun. And then the 6x6 paper, which is double-sided, and it's the same thing as the 12x12 paper. So you already saw that. I'll just do a quick flip. And then some chipboard stickers. So let's open the pocket cards. Okay, so you have your 4x6 cards and then the 3x4 cards. So here are the 4x6. I love this stamp pattern. Oh, this is gorgeous. And then some florals, polka dots, take note, and then the 3x4s. Dream without fear, love without limits, live today like it was your last. So this is pretty, the butterfly outline. Love that. We're all stories in the end, just make it a good one. Welcome 2019. This is a cute one to put your one little word, if you're doing one little word for the year. Here's to new beginnings. These kind of look like leaves. Out with the old, in with the new. And we have two of those, just in different colors. Make it happen, you got this. Diamond pattern, this is life right now. Birds, butterflies, document this. Calendar for January and December. What is coming is better than what is gone. Good things are going to happen. Polka dots, pretty flowers. The best is yet to come. Ooh, I always love florals. Goodbye 2018, thank you for the memories. Last day of 2018, page 365 of 365, new beginnings. If you are tired of starting over, stop giving up. And here you can put your resolutions. And then this year. Such fun colors. And like these are great for like prompts too. Like it gives you some ideas. So that is the pocket memory keeping kit. Next, we have the Traveler Notebook Kit. Here's the washi tape. A paper clip that has right now. And then, so here are the die cuts. So let's see what's in here. We got lots of different size tabs. Yay, I love tabs. I feel like you can never have too many tabs. Stick that in there. More die cuts, so I'm gonna open that. Just give me, let's look at the other stuff first. So here's the stamp. So we have, let me take it out of here so you can see it better. Reality check, fragile, just a thought, hashtag photo, the other thing, this, that, nope, not today, and then you're here, a question mark, a little light bulb. I love the question mark. And then this is what I'm super excited about. So this is a these are 2 sticky pockets that fit for the Traveler Notebook. Keep going, keep growing. That's so pretty. And then we have like the arrows, colorful arrows. And then more puffy stickers. So this month will be, the announcement said, I believe, it's the only month that it'll be like repeating stuff that are in the other kits. Other than that, it'll be different stuff. So like you saw these puffy stickers in the pocket kit, it won't happen like that in the future. Okay, and then here is the Simple Dory. So it's already set up for you for easy memory keeping, and that's what I love about it. And then you have the dots, pages, grid pages for journaling, and that way it's not like lopsided. It's just a fun idea, and I love how easy it is and manageable to do memory keeping. So another tag, and then some stickers. So we have the phrases where you can write, these are like labels, alphas, and you have them in uppercase and lowercase. Love that. And then the papers, which again, same patterns, but different size. So this is the size paper that's, so it's double-sided. The 12 by 12s are being replaced with. It's just easier to work with for the Simple Dory. I'm really excited about this because I was kind of hoarding my 12 by 12 paper before. All right, now we can look at the die cuts. Ooh, look at that silver foil. It was a January day, and then we have some florals. It was the best of times. Every moment matters. Remember this, our journey on this day. More tags. You can never have too many tags. Fresh start. Another silver foil. All you need is love. Oh, all you need is love. So I guess you could fill it in with that. Some location markers. It's a good day right now. Ready made. So that is the newest Cocoa Daisy kit. Super excited to play with it. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below your favorite item from this box. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, bye.